Steven here from Recreational Power Sports. Going to go through a brand new 2022 MirroCraft Dual Impact 176. So this is our fishing ski model. So basically it's great for fishing and great for doing water sports. And I'll give you a quick tour of it. As you can see, we got the gray and the white. So we consider this one white. The MirroCraft Chrome logo package, the Easy Loader trailer. We got pop-up cleats that I always love. The nice feature of that, you don't get to stub your toe and hurt yourself. There is the track built into the upper railing here, so there's a couple pucks that come with it. So you could add rod holders, bimini top, downriggers, anything you want on the track, easily removable without installing into your actual boat. If you want to come around the back of the boat, you can see we got the Mercury Pro XS 115 on it. So nice features are, it's obviously the upgraded 115 horse. It's got a lot more output for the charging system, better propping ratios and everything, and it looks really, really cool. At the helm of the boat here, you can tell some of the nice features that MirroCraft has going on. Once again, they got the full fiberglass consoles. Nice feature about that is if it does chip, scratch, or fade due to unexpected circumstances, it is fixable. It's not a plastic that is cracking and you can't get fixed. So fiberglass and gel can get fixed. So only people in the industry with that. Tilt steering once again, nice to get in and out of the boat. Chrome gauge package, nice big spot here for the 7-inch gauge or screen, so we could put a Humminbird 7 in here, nice and flush mount, and it looks very, very slick. We got the Bluetooth stereo here with 4 speakers and interior lighting with it, obviously, so we upgraded the stereo system on that. We got the courtesy lights inside as well. You can tell the passenger and captain chair are upgraded very plush. Once you sit in these seats, you're not going to want to get out of them. They both swivel and slide so that you can move around easily, get in and out of the captain chair very easily as well. So you can tilt steering and you can see I have no problem getting in and out of the boat. On the passenger side, we got the glove box cover. Underneath we have storage, like a little tackle box storage, all lockable once again. Okay, multiple cup holders everywhere, full vinyl flooring, no exposed hardware anywhere. Nice feature that MirroCraft did for 2022 is they put cup holders everywhere. You guys asked and they did it, so they added cup holders everywhere. I'm going to quickly give you a quick tutorial here on the back. So we have the casting platform with removable chair here, so you can cast off the back here, you can sit here, cast, jump off of it, whatever you want to do. I'll show you the nice feature about it in a couple seconds here. And we got the large Livewell with courtesy lights built in, so you get some of that scummy water, you can actually see what you got going in there. We also have the removable ski pylon, so you're doing all your water sports, you can leave it in. You're not, you can pull it out. There's a nice storage place for it. I'll show that in a second as well. We got battery storage underneath here. Just nice and clean and accessible. I'm gonna quickly remove this chair out of here if I can. And let's see if we get it out. Put it down. And then we can flip up the back bench. You can see we're now no longer in fish mode, but now we're in water sport and cruise mode. Very comfortable, a lot of room back here. Now if you wanted, you could pull the ski pylon out and stow it away very nicely. In the front of the boat here, we have the butt seat, so you could actually use this as is. You could remove it. We got the removable bow cushions. And in the very front here, we got a rod locker. Once again, underneath there, it's pre-wired for your trolling motor. So you could have it when you decide to buy a trolling motor, you could just wire it in yourself.